Hello everyone, I'm Albin of S4EC. As a part of our annual communication project, I have made FM transmitter, but everything is from recycled EVs. So let's get started. So this is it. I found these parts are broken, but it can be used for other future projects. Now let me take the other part and see what I can do for that.
I luckily found that there is a power supply line going through this corner, so I soldered the male header pins over this 5-volt ground and antenna respectively, so that it will be more easier for me to give the power using these female header pins. I soldered a parallel 3.5 mm audio female jack so that we can easily use that for our normal aux cables. I soldered the red wire for the right channel and brown wire for the left channel, and finally the black wire for the ground signals.
I had noted down the IC names so that I can search it on the web browser. I searched on the web page about AU6850 and found that it's a USB MP3 decoder with a SoC means system on the chip. Similarly, I searched for BK1085, which is a FM transmitter IC, which has a bandwidth of 64 to 125 MHz. D0, D1, D2, D3 MOSI pins are the pins from the microcontroller, RCH for the right channel, LCH for the left channel, SCK for serial clock, X1 and X0 for the crystals, and VDD and ground for the power supply. Now moving to frequency modulation. So, what is frequency modulation? Frequency modulation is the process whereby which frequency of the carrier signals is varied in accordance with the instantaneous value of the amplitude of the message signal by keeping the amplitude and phase a constant. But let's make it simple. If the amplitude of the message signal is having a lower value, then the modulated signal will also be having a lower frequency. Whereas if the amplitude of the message signal is having a higher value, then the modulated signal will have a higher frequency. So come, let's go and test our FM transmitter. As you can see, now we are listening on Club FM 104.8. You can see over here. Now let's tune to my channel. It's taking some time for the tuning. Yeah, that's what I'm playing over here. Music is transmitted through the transmitter, the antenna. You can see over here. And when I pause this music, it stops over the radio. You can start also. So my channel is 90.5 MHz or 90.5 FM. Here you can see. Let's switch to another music. The music changes over here. I hope that all my friends will effectively utilize this lockdown period to learn something new and bring out their creativity and skills. I would also like to highlight that e-waste is not just a waste anymore. Thank you.